Hi, this is Rabbi Tzvi Mandel. Hi, this is Rabbi Tzvi Mandel of Congregation Kol Bnei Yisrael, community of Jewish friends, and we are reviewing the Kitzer Shulchan Aruch. We started the first chapter. We're on the fourth paragraph. Therefore, it is imperative for a person to be strong as a lion. Immediately upon awakening and reciting the Modani prayer, we should rise with alacrity. Alacrity is zrizis, the opposite of laziness, for the service of the Creator. Blessed and elevated is He. Before you are overwhelmed by your evil impulse with various excuses not to rise, and be outsmarted and seduced in the winter with the argument, how can you rise now so early in the morning when the weather is so cold? Or in the summer, it will argue, how can you rise from your bed while you are still not satisfied with enough sleep? The sun is out, and it makes one feel like he didn't get enough sleep. Or other similar claims. The evil impulse knows very well the art of entrapping a person with all kinds of snares to prevent him from rising. Therefore, every sensitive person who fears and trembles before the word of Hashem must triumph over the evil impulse and not listen to it, even if it is extremely difficult because of physical considerations or laziness. Your aim must be to fulfill the will of the King of Kings, the Holy One, blessed be He. You should realize that if you are called by any individual to participate in a business transaction in which there is profit, or to collect a debt, the EBT, or if someone called with a plan to save your wealth from disaster, for example, if a fire occurred in the city or something similar occurred, you certainly would be quick to awaken immediately because of your concern for your wealth, and you would not act sluggishly. Similarly, if you would need to go to the service of the king, you would rise with alacrity and not be sluggish, lest you be denigrated, or you would rise with alacrity in order to find favor in the eyes of the king. How much more so should this apply for the service of the King of Kings, the Holy One? Blessed is He. That you should be concerned to rise quickly with alacrity. Once you accustom yourself to this practice 4 or 5 times, you will no longer find it difficult, as our sages have said. He who makes an effort to purify himself is divinely assisted in his efforts. Mar says in Yuma 38b. So basically there's 2 ways how to fight the evil inclination. Strong resolve, as we learned before, and doing it 4 or 5 times as hard as it is. But the key to all is simcha. Simcha, the joy that we're Elohim, that we are Jews, that we're Yidden, we're privileged to worship Hashem and to be Hashem's children, and feeling the love and the concern that Hashem has for each one of us in any situation that we are. Whether we feel it, whether we know it intellectually, but that's the real fact. That's what it's all about. The simcha would give us more of an initiative to make the strong resolve and to do it the first 4 times, even though there'll be reasons why we don't want to do it. So, of course, it's a test of life. And may Hashem help. We should be successful and joyous and have a beautiful Shabbos. Have a good night.